Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you ClickZoom Pro, my After Effects extension for creating ultra-clean zooms in just one click. If you're making tutorials, video podcasts, or app demos, this is a game changer. Download link is in the description. Installation and interface. After downloading ClickZoom, you'll find the link in the description. You'll unzip the file and install it on your computer. Then, you'll go to Window, Extensions, choose ClickZoom, and click on it. This will open this window. As you can see, I already have the window integrated into the After Effects panel. You can place it wherever you want because it's completely responsive. You can decrease the size while keeping all buttons accessible. Plugin structure. The plugin is divided into three main parts: initialization buttons, refresh button, and help to understand how it works, zoom and navigation tools, 3D parameters and effects. Let's take a concrete example. I'll create a new composition and imagine I have a screenshot to explain. Here's my screenshot. Let's say I want to explain exactly this part called book. This small area is so tiny that I can't show it clearly without zooming. When I click on auto refresh, it automatically displays the screenshot. It's very simple to zoom. The zoom is already set to 150%. I just need to select the layer, then click where I want to zoom. You see, in one click, it automatically created the zoom keyframes exactly where I clicked. Now, let's say I want to show this word here. I just need to click here, and you see that it will move and center the hardcover element in the center of the composition so I can see it clearly. If now I'd like to show bestseller, since it's already zoomed, when I click in France, it creates a pan. To make an additional zoom on bestseller, I click on the zoom button. Then I click on bestseller with a 150% zoom. You see it zooms perfectly. And if I want to zoom out, I just need to click on out and let's see the result. There you go. It's very simple and ultra fast. 3D features. Now, here's what I can do that's even more interesting. Add a 3D camera. I click on 3D camera and it automatically adds the 3D camera. With depth of field, I can control the blur. You see that what's displayed is really sharp and what's not in the focus zone becomes blurred. It's perfect for controlling the viewer's attention. I can also manage the rotation angle on X, Y axis, etc. When I apply these settings, you see that the rotation and angle creates a really dynamic effect. Cinematic lighting. To add lighting, you select your layers, then add the light. When I add the light, it creates a really cinematic effect that stays focused exactly where I want to show something. Let's imagine at this point, I'd like to make a zoom. I click here. You saw it makes a zoom, but if I find the zoom too strong, I can adjust the percentage. I'll set it to about 110% with an intensity of 3.5. The big advantage is that when you adjust the zoom percentage, the element stays exactly in the same place where you clicked, unlike normal keyframes that can move your subject. You can make zooms of different intensities, 150% to 100% according to your needs, and the element stays perfectly centered where you defined it. The ON/OFF button allows you to place keyframes at the end of your playhead. When this option is activated, if I make a 150% zoom, you see that the keyframes are automatically placed at the end. Complete example. Let's now look at a complete example. I click on extension, it takes me here, then I click on zoom. You see that in a few seconds and a few clicks, I can navigate through my interface. I click on Windows, then extensions, then zoom. To finalize, I can add a 3D camera and a light to create this cinematic effect you see. It's extraordinary. That's how ClickZoom works. It's a powerful tool that will considerably speed up your workflow for creating tutorials and engaging presentations. The link to download the plugin is in the description. Don't hesitate to try it and let me know what you think in the comments. See you soon for new tutorials.